ಸಾಕಣ. Looks like there has been an accident between two trucks. Don't know when. Looks very recent. Hopefully nobody is dead. With that strong content, the start of the day. Good afternoon. It's 12:24. I completed yesterday through Kolar and eventually ended up very close to Bangalore, and I stayed somewhere there and started off this morning at 11. Did not really have anything exciting to film, so mostly traffic situations and stuff. The plan for the day is I'm headed towards Chitradurga. I would wanna go to Vanivilasa Dam, and then if time permits wanna go see Chitradurga Fort. If time don't permit, then probably I should stay somewhere nearby, and then the next morning I'll start again. I'm going through Madhugiri. I wanted to go see the fort of Madhugiri, but that seems like a pretty long trek, and with this weather, this gear, I don't really find it comfortable. I'm probably gonna see if I can find some aerial view. An interesting thing that I just learned is it has Asia's second largest monolithic rock. How cool is that, right? Yeah, so let's go check that big rock before one of our politicians lays their eyes and then start demolishing it. I've never seen this type of color combination on the high tension electricity transfer lines. Entered the highway and it sucks as always. Boy, daydreaming has begun. Oh. Arrow International. Interesting. This is the scary thing about riding in the highways. Daydreams. Okay, off the highway. Chitradurga is another 196 kilometers through that highway, but I'm not going straight to Chitradurga. Just run your imagination wild and crazy. what would have probably been happening, say 10,000 years ago here? Wow. Got back into countryside road. Hopefully things are gonna continue be nice like this road. It's 2:48. I was really feeling sleepy and almost dozing off because I had a poor sleep last night. So took a short break just to relax and then go. I do miss not having a camp chair with me right now. That would have been a super convenient thing. We arrived at Madhugiri. That's what the signboard shows. Oh, I must have missed my... ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸರ್, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಮುಜಾಮಿಲ್. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು? ತಲ್ಹಾ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ರೈಡರ್ ನೀನು ಅಂತ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ರೈಡರ್ ಅಂತ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ರೈಡರ್ ಅಂದರೆ? ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ? ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗೆ? ಹ್ಞೂ. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಸೋಹಾನ್. ಹಾಂ, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾನೇ. ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಸುಜುಕಿ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮುಗೀತಾ? 3:30. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತ ಕಣೋ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದೇ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕಣ. ಏಯ್ ಸಾಕಂಡ್ರು. ಹಾಂ, ಸಾಕು. They apparently love to rub it. Yeah, I'm actually trying to look for a spot and fly the drone around and see if I can get a nice view of it. I'm probably gonna head away and try to find it. Bye. Found a road where it somehow brings me close. Let's try our luck. I was coming from that Madhugiri beta, and then I saw a spot here. It's sort of cool. There's a lake on the left side, then there are farmlands on the other side. At the distance, see how the big boulders are being pushed out. Very interesting phenomena.
The clock was ticking towards 3:20 pm, and the security denied my request to enter, as it takes nearly 3 hours to trek. He also told me I was late by 2 hours. With that dissatisfaction loaded up, while I was looking for a close by location to take some aerial shots, I met those kids accidentally, and they totally made my evening. I'm glad I was able to bring smiles on their face. The display of the tourism department read a bit of a history, and it goes like this. Madhugiri Hill is an inscription of the Vijayanagara king Harihara. The same name was changed to Madhugiri later in the 20th century. This is a beautiful, massive monolith cliff at an altitude of approximately 1120 meters above sea level. In 1601 AD, Mahanada Prabhu Immadi Chikkappa Gowda of Bijavara built this hill fort. The royals of Mysore, then Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan, the Marathas, expanded and built this fort. There are 15 doors to this Giridhama, among which Antarala door, Diddi door, and Mysore door are the most important. After learning about this piece of history, I was a bit sad that I didn't get to visit the place. Since it was sundown, I didn't want to push to Chitradurga and decided to retire for the day at Hiriyuru and continue the next morning to Chitradurga, which is another 40 kilometers. In the next episode, join me and we will explore Chitradurga Fort in the morning and ride through some scenic country roads and enjoy the sunset at Vanivilasa Reservoir, which was interestingly built by Mysore Royals. That's all for now. See you in the next one. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. See you in the next one.